Yeah? You can go back then, see if I care. Lighting assistants, sometimes you just can't work with them. So I've always wondered if I can like hold the light, manage the light, use one hand and hold the other hand with my camera. And will this ever work? What, you want to go back to? Yeah, you come stand here. Nope, we can't send the model home. We need Jia. This is what we're gonna do. Mount a handle on a swivel, put a mini umbrella to this, mount a Nikon flash to this, turn this on to remote so that it is triggered, optical triggered. Hold the camera with one hand, pop up the built-in flash, and I usually use manual exposure, but today we're gonna do something different. We're gonna go on aperture priority, ISO of 100, f2.8, shutter speed 1/60, but I'm gonna press on the exposure compensation button. So I'm gonna do all this with one hand, and we're gonna go negative. We're gonna go -1. Oh, this is not easy, you know. You think it's too late to apologize to the lighting guy? So since I sent the lighting guy home, the first thing I'm gonna do is try to work as much as I can with two hands. Get the composition correct, that's good. Lean forward a little bit because I'm gonna go low angle and get the buildings at the back. Okay, and then once I do this, lean forward a bit. Yeah, that's nice. 1, 2, and oh, look at this shot. Lean forward a bit. 2, and go. Oh, look at that. This is awesome. This is awesome. So to my lighting assistant, if you're watching this, I think we're doing fine. And you know what I learned? Because it's a bit hard to hold and this little pinky has no catch. So what I did was I removed the removable battery door to my camera. All good cameras can do this. That way I've got a little bit of a catch so I can actually do this and swing this out. So your hands don't too wide, your hands narrower. Right, this hand go up a little bit. Okay, good. 1, 2, and go. Whoa, look at that. That looks fantastically posed. But the exposure is exquisite. I tell you what, stand, you don't need to lift this leg. Put both legs together and then just like very cheerful. When I say 1, 2, 3, just bring up your hand, fall forward a bit. Right, so, and 1, 2, go. Good. Oh, that's so much nicer. Job done. Shot number 3 without a lighting assistant. You enjoyed the video? If you do a few things. Number 1, follow Yijia on her Instagram. Mine too. Click subscribe on our YouTube channel and share this video. Even better, head onto our e-learning website here and check out our all access and premium courses. Truly, you're gonna enjoy those subscriptions. But that's just one shot. I've got. So verdict, do you think I need a lighting assistant? Well, to be honest with you, I found a beautiful way to hold the camera and I kind of managed this. And I talk way less because instead of telling the lighting guy, what do you think? Do you think I can work without a lighting guy?
No.
Yeah, go. See if I care. Subscribe.